Hungry for pizza but hate fumbling for your wallet? Let's see if you can pay with PayPal on the Little Caesars app for super speedy checkout. First, open the Little Caesars app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, or create an account if you don't have one. Now, build your pizza masterpiece. Select your favorite pizzas, sides, and drinks and add them to your order. Once you're happy with your choices, tap the View Cart or Checkout button. This will take you to your order summary. Double-check everything is correct. Look for the payment options. If Little Caesars has integrated PayPal, you'll see the PayPal logo right here. If you don't see it, unfortunately, PayPal isn't an option at this time for you. If PayPal is available, tap on the PayPal icon. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login screen. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Review the order details and confirm the payment. After confirming, you'll be taken back to the Little Caesars app where you'll receive an order confirmation. Keep an eye out for your pickup time. Enjoy your pizza.